Hey guys, make your laggy computer faster in 3 simple steps under 2 minutes. Let's get started. Click on Windows plus R and then type in MSC config. Click on OK. When the boot screen loads up, go to Services and then deselect the programs that you don't want active. Click on OK and then restart. Make sure to check the option Hide on Microsoft Services. After restarting your browser, open up Task Manager and then go to startup programs and then disable the ones you're not using, especially the ones with high startup impact. After that, type in temp in Windows Command Center and delete the temporary files here. Control A and then delete. Open the Windows Command Center again and type in percentage 10%. And then this window will open up. Control A and delete all files. Do the same, then empty your recycle bin after you're done with this. Once you're done with all your steps, restart your PC and you'll be good to go.